So you may be wondering, how much is my car accident case worth in Milwaukee County? Well, that answer depends on a couple different things. As a personal injury lawyer in Milwaukee County, what I'm going to be looking at, first of all, is how serious is your injury? How much has it affected you? You know, a lot of times people say, well, how much are your medical bills? Well, medical bills really are not, in the grand scheme of things, all that important. Think about it. If a loved one of yours is injured and you go to the hospital to visit them and you go down and you see them laying in the bed, are you going to go up to them and say, well, how much is this ambulance bill going to cost? Or how much is this hospital bill going to cost? No, you're going to say, how are you? Are you okay? So that's the primary thing we look at is, what is your injury and how is it going to affect you and your family? So after we evaluate that, then we're going to look at those other damages or harms, which are called non-economic. And those are other things such as loss of society that maybe your spouse or your family has had. Other things, how inconvenient was the injury? How long is it going to affect you? All of these things, you can't put a dollar amount on from the standpoint of there's no formula or calculation for that. But there are ways that we can value that based on other cases and what a reasonable jury may award for that. So those are called non-economic damages. The next thing we're going to look at are the economic damages. Those are the things that you can take a look at and see in black and white. How much are the medical bills? How much are your wage loss? What other out-of-pocket expenses do you have? Do you still have a deductible? Do you have co-pays? Do you have towing, storage, rental? All of these monetary dollar amounts we can just look at that's in black and white. So we're going to take a look at both those non-economic damages and your economic damages. And we're going to take a look at the whole picture. But most importantly, we're going to see how has this affected your life. Are you back to normal or are you going to have ongoing issues? And based upon that, we're going to come up with a value that we think your case is worth. Now, I know you're looking for a very simple and straight answer, but it requires years of experience to really look at what a case is worth and how to value it. So if you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call or go to our website. You can find more information. Feel free to send us a text or a message, and we'd be happy to talk to you.